Hi, Lawrence here. Just thought I'd share my first impressions of Explaindio. Explained.io? Explaindio? Explaindio. For some reason, I think of the D when I attempt to say the name. What's the name of the app? Explaindio! Anyway, enough tomfoolery. Let's get down to business. I've had this app for a day, and I'm honestly not too impressed. It's one of those apps marketed as the be-all and end-all for all media creation. It's really hard to get honest reviews of these types of software, as most reviewers are actually trying to get kickbacks off the affiliate program. So it's in their interest to make it sound like the bee's knees. You buy the app, they get a percentage or a cut of the sale or whatever, however it works. Anyway, as soon as I clicked on the buy PayPal, the fun and games started. Yep, you've got it. The upsells. Now, I know everyone wants to make a quid, but 9 upsells is just to get the app you paid for is really a bit rough. And the "you're not a chump, are you?" approach from The Simpsons was a little bit annoying, to be honest with you. Doesn't work on Linux. Well, this is not really a problem with the app per se, as it wasn't designed to, but it'd actually be nice. In fact, unless it's web-based, not many of these kind of apps do. VideoScribe, however, is an exception. Works like a treat on Linux. Love VideoScribe. Activating your product is painful, as they give you a whole bunch of activation keys for their other products, and they really don't make it clear which is for Explaindio. I actually made a video to show you some of the basic features for this video. However, sadly, I couldn't actually load it to show you. So, whilst there is a lot of hype around this product, my initial experience is terrible. The whole upsells issue really isn't a deal breaker, just a minor annoyance. Linux, well, hey, it wasn't designed for Linux, so no harm, no foul there. The issue with saving or loading or just not being able to access my projects means I don't have the confidence to actually invest time in a project using this software. I may take another look at this program at a later date. Maybe I had a run of bad luck, but I need something I can depend on. My experience thus far is this is definitely not it.